So I hear a lot of talk about credit repair and AI nowadays. And yeah, there's a lot of AI softwares out there, but we haven't used any AI softwares and we still get a ton of deletions for our clients. We remove bankruptcies, late payments, charge-offs, late payments on open accounts, late payments on closed accounts. We remove everything from people's credit. We do not use any AI. Now, we can if we wanted to, we just choose not to. My team knows how to do Metro 2. They know how to do all the different types of disputing that you can think of. And we never really needed to use AI. So there's a lot of people that's promoting it nowadays because AI is trending. So a lot of times what they're doing is they're just trying to sound like trending. They're trying to get in your ear with saying something that sounds like it's brand new, but the stuff been around for a long time. Don't believe the hype. There's all these credit repair people out there that's promoting certain softwares and stuff like that. They probably have a white label of that software. So when they're saying, yeah, you can fix your credit for $29 a month, it's not that you can fix it for $29 a month. It's that they get paid if you pay $29 a month for that specific software. So you can fix your credit without using AI, or we can fix your credit without using AI. But there are some good softwares out there. Me personally, I just don't, if it was me fixing my credit, I wouldn't want to wait 6-9 months to figure out if the stuff worked. I just want to go with what's actually working because I don't have time to be figuring it out and practicing on myself. Whoa. Don't scroll yet. If you're interested in being an entrepreneur and you want to learn more about entrepreneurship, you want to be motivated, you want to get your mindset correct, you want to build your business credit, build your personal credit, or just understand finances better, this is the channel for you. What I want you to do is like this video, share this video with some people that you think it can help, and then subscribe to the YouTube channel. We drop videos every single day, and pretty soon we're going to be dropping 2 to 3 videos every single day just for you to consume and really learn and grow as a person, as an individual, as an entrepreneur, and level up in life. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. This channel is going to take you one step closer to living the rich life. So like, share, comment, and subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon. You know what I mean? So some people, they have the time and they don't have the money. So for you, I would say check it out, try them out and see what happens. But if you have the cash and you want to get results fast, it's better to just pay somebody who's every day they wake up and do it, like my team. Every morning they wake up and that's all they do is credit repair. So it's better to pay a professional than to try to figure it out and practice for months and months and months, than to maybe find out that it does not work and then you still have to pay somebody else anyway.